Some of the deadliest diseases in the world don't begin with extreme pain or dramatic symptoms. They grow silently, slowly, quietly, and by the time people finally realize something is wrong, the damage may already be severe. That's what makes silent diseases so terrifying. The human body often gives small warning signs long before a major health crisis happens. But many people ignore those signals because they seem harmless at first. A little fatigue, mild pain, shortness of breath, occasional headaches. Most people blame stress, aging, or lack of sleep. Meanwhile, dangerous diseases may continue progressing silently inside the body. Today, we're going to explore some of the most deadly diseases that often develop without obvious symptoms, why they become so dangerous, and the warning signs people should never ignore. And stay until the end, because one of these diseases affects millions of people without them even knowing they have it. Let's begin. One of the most dangerous silent diseases is high blood pressure. Many people call it the silent killer. Why? Because high blood pressure often causes no symptoms for years. A person may feel completely normal, while enormous pressure slowly damages blood vessels throughout the body. Over time, this may increase the risk of heart attacks, strokes, kidney damage, and heart failure. Some people only discover they have high blood pressure after a major medical emergency occurs. One possible solution is regular health checkups. Simple blood pressure monitoring may detect problems early before severe damage happens. Exercise, healthy nutrition, reducing salt intake, stress management, and proper medical treatment may all help control blood pressure. Now let's talk about diabetes. Type 2 diabetes often develops slowly over many years. At first, symptoms may seem mild: fatigue, increased thirst, frequent urination, blurred vision, slow healing. Many people ignore these signs completely. Meanwhile, high blood sugar silently damages nerves, blood vessels, kidneys, eyes, and the heart. One of the most effective solutions is early lifestyle changes. Healthy eating, exercise, weight management, and medical treatment may significantly improve blood sugar control and reduce complications. Another silent but deadly condition is fatty liver disease. Many people think liver disease only happens because of alcohol, but millions of people develop fatty liver disease because of poor diet, obesity, insulin resistance, and unhealthy lifestyle habits. And here's the dangerous part. Fatty liver disease often causes almost no symptoms during the early stages. Meanwhile, fat slowly builds inside the liver and may eventually lead to inflammation, scarring, or even liver failure. One possible solution is improving nutrition, reducing sugar intake, exercising regularly, and maintaining healthy body weight. Now here's a disease many people fear: cancer. Some forms of cancer grow silently for years before symptoms appear. Colon cancer, pancreatic cancer, ovarian cancer, and lung cancer may all progress quietly in the early stages. By the time symptoms become obvious, treatment may become much more difficult. That's why screening is so important. Colonoscopies, mammograms, blood tests, scans, and regular medical evaluations may help detect certain cancers earlier when survival chances are much higher. Now let's discuss heart disease. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. But many people don't realize damage often develops slowly for decades. Arteries gradually become narrower because of cholesterol buildup and inflammation. Some individuals experience only mild warning signs like fatigue, chest pressure, shortness of breath, or dizziness. Others experience no symptoms at all until a heart attack occurs. One important solution is prevention. Healthy nutrition, exercise, stress management, avoiding smoking, proper sleep, and regular medical evaluations may dramatically reduce risk. Now here's something many people don't realize. Kidney disease is also often silent. The kidneys work incredibly hard, filtering waste from the blood every single day. But kidney damage may progress quietly for years. Symptoms often appear only after significant damage has already occurred. Swelling, fatigue, changes in urination, nausea, and high blood pressure may eventually develop. Diabetes and high blood pressure are major causes of kidney disease worldwide. Regular blood and urine testing may help detect kidney problems earlier. Now let's talk about osteoporosis. Many people think weak bones are simply part of aging. But osteoporosis often develops silently over many years without pain. Bones slowly become weaker and more fragile. Some individuals only discover they have osteoporosis after suffering serious fractures from relatively minor falls. Exercise, proper calcium intake, vitamin D, healthy nutrition, and avoiding smoking may help support bone health. Another silent condition is sleep apnea. Millions of people stop breathing briefly during sleep without realizing it. This condition reduces oxygen levels and severely affects sleep quality. People with sleep apnea may feel exhausted constantly, experience headaches, poor concentration, or daytime fatigue. But many never realize sleep itself is the problem. Untreated sleep apnea may increase the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Now here's a condition that affects the brain itself: Alzheimer's disease. This devastating neurological disorder may begin developing years before severe memory loss appears. Tiny changes slowly occur inside the brain over long periods of time. At first, symptoms may seem small: forgetfulness, confusion, difficulty concentrating. But over time, memory and cognitive abilities decline significantly. Although there is currently no complete cure, early diagnosis and healthy lifestyle habits may help slow progression in some individuals. Now let's discuss another hidden danger: chronic stress. Many people underestimate how physically damaging long-term stress can become. Chronic stress may affect sleep, hormones, immunity, digestion, heart health, and brain function. Over time, constant stress may contribute to anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, inflammation, and serious disease risk. The body often sends warning signs long before complete burnout occurs: fatigue, headaches, muscle tension, poor sleep, digestive problems, emotional exhaustion. These symptoms should never be ignored. Now, here's something extremely important. Many silent diseases become dangerous because people avoid medical checkups. Fear, stress, embarrassment, or simply feeling fine prevents many individuals from getting tested. But early detection may save lives. The earlier many diseases are discovered, the easier they may become to manage or treat. Now let's discuss some of the body's most important warning signs: constant fatigue, unexpected weight loss, chest pain, blood in stool or urine, frequent headaches, persistent coughing, changes in breathing, severe thirst, memory problems, and symptoms that continue for weeks without improvement. The body often whispers before it screams. Learning to recognize those whispers may protect long-term health. Now let's talk about prevention. Many serious diseases are strongly connected to lifestyle habits. Healthy nutrition may reduce inflammation and support organs throughout the body. Exercise improves circulation, metabolism, heart health, and brain function. Sleep allows the body to repair itself. Managing stress protects both physical and mental health. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol may dramatically reduce disease risk. Regular medical checkups remain one of the most powerful tools for prevention. Simple blood tests and screenings may detect silent diseases years earlier. Now let's quickly review some deadly diseases that may progress silently: high blood pressure, diabetes, fatty liver disease, heart disease, certain cancers, kidney disease, osteoporosis, sleep apnea, Alzheimer's disease, and chronic stress-related illness. Many of these conditions may develop slowly for years before obvious symptoms appear. That's what makes them so dangerous. The human body is incredibly strong, but it constantly depends on balance and proper care. Ignoring small warning signs may allow hidden damage to continue silently in the background. And perhaps the most important thing to remember is this: feeling normal does not always mean the body is healthy. Sometimes The most dangerous diseases are the ones people cannot immediately see or feel. Listening to the body early may save years of health, and sometimes even life itself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more fascinating health and science content explained in a simple and easy way. Take care of your health, protect your future, and we'll see you in the next video.